Hello, today we're going to make some corn on the cob. I got my water over here on high, I'm waiting for it to boil. As they always say, a watched pot never boils, so we're going to come over here and stick these screw-in ends into the corn. It just makes it easier to hold on to the corn and it's not hot. These screw-in things, they just go right in the boiling water. And just screw right into the corn. But you get the idea. And it just gives you a place to hold it. Oh yeah, you also want to put a spoonful of sugar in the boiling water. It makes it taste better. Damn it. So we're going to take and we're going to drop our corn into the boiling water. Actually, I'm just going to set it in there. Just let it cook for a little bit. Man, burnt sugar smells as bad as burnt toast. Burnt toast is burnt toast no matter how you look at it. Yeah, you want to leave it in there for about 10 minutes. Another way to prepare corn is over a fire. What you do is you just leave the corn in the skin and you just soak it in water all morning. And then come about lunchtime when you want to cook it for lunch, you just take it and you sit it on your grill and it just cooks by the fire. And the water that's within the corn just steams it and it tastes really good. I also have my plate over here with a bottle of Coke, some salt, and some butter. Alright, time to take the corn out. Alright, time to sit down and have some corn. And as usual, this video is brought to you and supported by the ECR for Kids plastic stack chair. So what we're going to do is take a piece of corn, come over here, get some butter. Put a slice of butter on it like this. Your salt and sprinkle some salt on it. Anyway, that's how you make and eat corn. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and remember to always take your ends out and wash them.